In this video, I'm going to talk about MinuteStock, so watch the full video. MinuteStock Review. Brand new, sell 8 world-class software websites professionally set up and damp, ready for you in less than 1 minute from right now. 8 ready-to-go software businesses you can sell without any marketing or technical skills needed. Plus bonus ongoing affiliate sales from Jvzoo, Warrior Plus and Damp, ClickBank using our traffic. Finally, beginner-friendly system in a proven-to-sell market. Own 8 brand new stock asset business in one easy bundle. Done for you: sales pages, download pages, upsells, cross-sells and damp, more. Written for you, hosted and damp, automated email sequence with your links. Fully cloud-hosted, nothing to set up, install or configure. Step-by-step beginner-friendly training, no technical skills needed. No monthly fees ever. Bonuses available during launch only. Bonus number 1: get 2 nude 5 funnels every month. Bonus number 2: bonus funnel builder, drag and damp, drop our templates to make custom funnels. Bonus number 3: WordPress plugin, activate and automatically display your giveaway opt-in forms, banners and more. No restrictions, sell unlimited copies, keep 100% of all sales. Claim your MinuteStock account for just $197, $26.47 today. Get instant access now. So, if you want to buy the product, check the link in the description, plus you will get a lot of bonuses. There is no monthly fees, no limitations. Use our world-class team of copywriters, designers and damp coders to release your own royalty-free asset empire. This system allowed Robert to get his first sales after 7 years of trying and damp. Complete beginners like Sam and damp MOHD overdo it to see surprises like these. Here you can see. Breakthrough technology simplifies software ownership with 8 turnkey SaaS businesses live, automated and damp, ready for sales in under 1 minute. Are you ready to be the one selling the products instead of always buying? Are you ready to stop the hustle of creating work that might never pay off? Are you ready to stop the hustle of creating work that might never pay off? If you answered yes to any of those questions, then today is your day. So, if you want to buy the product, check the link in the description, plus you will get a lot of bonuses. Today you can access the limitless potential of a collection of truly ready-to-go SaaS platforms live, automated and highly monetized in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Connect. Connect your Jvzoo account by adding your Jvzoo ID in your settings page. If you've never heard of Jvzoo before, that's okay too. We show you how to create and set up your free account. Step 2. Request. Send a Jvzoo request for one product. We own the account, so you're guaranteed approval. We'll approve you within 12-24 hours to get 100% commissions for all 19 products in your 8 website bundle. Step 3. Traffic. Use our pre-designed one-click traffic toolkit containing banners, social media posts, email swipes and damp, more to kickstart your traffic. Once done, the automated emails drive traffic to your buy buttons and damp products for you. Add unlimited subscribers to the automated funnels and damp, sell unlimited licenses, keeping 100% of all 19 products in your and-built funnels. MinuteStock gives you 8 websites each with lead capture page, with hosted and damp, automated autoresponder, confirmation page, for an excellent subscriber opt-in rates, download page, delivering your high-quality, downloadable gift, bridging offer page, offering a match $9.97 upgrade, one-time offer upsell page, encouraging a $27 upgrade, downsell page, presenting a discounted offer for $22. Second upsell page, more resources for them and damp, more profits for you at $37. Third upsell page, even more sales, giving them the perfect add-on for $67. Welcome page, thanking your customer, sharing what's next. Members SaaS platform, automatically creating their membership and delivering access, supporting the product for happy customers. Live in under 1 minute. But it gets even better. So, if you want to buy the product, check the link in the description, plus you will get a lot of bonuses. Your cloud-hosted website collection also includes all products created for you. Each of your website's offers are perfectly crafted, irresistible lead magnet. They are all different from each other, but all high-end. You'll be able to give away bundles of royalty-free videos, vector graphics, GIFs, social media graphics and damp more, then let the system go to work for you. Those are just the free gifts. Your customers will get even more. The paid products in your website funnels are next level. They are delivered inside your customer's members area, giving them additional members-only access to thousands of additional resources, automatically delivered as soon as your customer's payment hits your account. All products created for you. All emails written and damp, queued for you. We add your links to every email in that sequence and queue it in our hosted and damp, managed for you autoresponder. There's no need to edit, write, touch an email or mess with software. It's literally 100% ready to go, nothing to touch. Added bonus, once the initial 30 days is finished, we'll find targeted offers, review them, create bonuses, write emails and damp, send them all with your affiliate links. For as long as that person says subscribed. Automated and damp, ready to use in under 1 minute. Cloud-based, nothing to install. Log in and be set up in under 1 minute. Unlimited subscribers, SaaS sales and membership accounts. Deep fully automated sales funnels with a perfectly tailored high-converting flow. 8 complete done-for-you world-class websites, pages and damp, sales emails. Step-by-step training showing you how to activate the 1-minute setup, then we teach you how to take your systems and turn them into ongoing, evergreen profits. Full commercial license included, you'll get full access to all 8 SaaS membership zones with over 7 million royalty-free assets you can use for your own business or for your clients. Be the owner of 8 turnkey managed for you websites today. Get instant access now. So, if you want to buy the product, check the link in the description, plus you will get a lot of bonuses. There is no monthly fees, no limitations. Use our world-class team of copywriters, designers and damp coders to release your own royalty-free asset empire. Right out of the box you'll have 8 complete websites, capturing leads, filled with products and damp, completely automated sending sales emails to your sales pages. Packed with products, sell perfectly tailored $9.97, $22, $27, $47 and damp, $67 products in your cloud-based funnels. Ongoing commissions, managed Zoo, W Plus and damp, clickbank promotions well after that first lead arrives. No limits, add unlimited subscribers and damp, customers on all 7 websites, and damp, even have them sharing too. However, if you want more flexibility, we've got that too. With more features available than we can list. If you're wondering, does it do that? The answer is very likely a big fat yes. Here are just some of the additional features. Autoresponder integration. Connect your own autoresponder to have a copy of the leads added to your list, with additional integrations by request. Add your own scripts. Add conversion codes, messenger bots, heat trackers, retargeting codes, to give you full functionality. Use your own domain. Track clicks and damp conversions. We've even prepared traffic for you. You'll get traffic 3 easy ways. 1-click traffic toolkit. You'll have a collection of banners, email swipes and pre-written social share resources already embedded with your name and link, ready to click, post and profit. Self-perpetuating traffic funnel. Once a subscriber joins your list through one of your giveaways, they'll receive emails encouraging them to share, purchase or buy other products, all with your links. Done for you paid traffic. If you've ever wanted to run paid traffic but not sure how, this is for you. We offer reasonably priced traffic packages getting your website seen by people who need it. It's ready right out of the box, yet highly flexible, packed with features. Watch the demo video below. No restrictions, sell unlimited copies, keep 100% of all sales. Claim your MinuteStock account for just $197, $26.47 today. Get instant access now. So, if you want to buy the product, check the link in the description, plus you will get a lot of bonuses. There is no monthly fees, no limitations. Let's meet your brand new websites. MinuteFX, Minute Visuals, Minute Vides, Minute Audio, Minute Logos, Minute Quotes, Minute Branding, Minute Vectors. Get instant access now. So, if you want to buy the product, check the link in the description, plus you will get a lot of bonuses. There is no monthly fees, no limitations. Setting up your websites is 1, 2, 3. One of the more common questions we hear in our support desk is it really that easy? The answer is yes. There's no need to overcomplicate it. Breathe easy. It really is that simple. This is more than just the $13.50 or $18.50 in commissions. It's like having your own personal automated sales assistant, software development crew and fully fledged marketing team on speed dial. With nothing holding you back. No tech skills required. No creative talents needed. No writing necessary. No expensive hosting or software. No guru-level lists and traffic needed. No domain required. With so much flexibility, is MinuteStock for you? Product sales. Affiliate promotions. Back-end bonuses. List segmentation. Autopilot traffic. Blog lead general. Social media growth. Onboarding. Simplification. Everything you need is included. But we didn't stop there. Fast action bonus number 1. Get 2 new funnel websites every month. Fast action bonus number 2. Get access to our builder size. Fast action bonus number 3. Traffic automation WordPress plugin. If you're still not sure if this is for you, try it, make money, then decide with our risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee. But be quick and start selling fast. If you're not selling these products now, someone else will. This extraordinary value pack offer includes: secure your MinuteStock access today. MinuteStock Unlimited. 8 brand new stock asset business in one easy bundle. Done for you sales pages, download pages, upsells, cross-sells and more. Written for you, hosted and automated email sequence with your links. Fully cloud hosted, nothing to set up, install or configure. Step-by-step beginner-friendly training, no technical skills needed. Plus bonuses available during launch only. Bonus number 1, get 2 new 5 funnels every month. Bonus number 2, bonus funnel builder, drag and drop our templates to make custom funnels. Bonus number 3, WordPress plugin, activate and automatically display your giveaway opt-in forms, banners and more. No monthly fees ever. Extremely limited offer. Traffic starter upgrade live. Professional promo toolkit for all 8 websites. Free upgrade, full banner kits, email swipes and social ads. Automatically embedded with your links and names, click and go. Don't pay $197. Today available for the discounted price below. Price rising inch. Buy now with extra bonuses, link in the description. Get instant access now. So, if you want to buy the product, check the link in the description, plus you will get a lot of bonuses.